Usually when you begin with crocheting, you start with a chain. We're going to do a foundation single crochet, and you do start with 2 chains. And you're going to work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Now, that doesn't get you very far when you want to do a lot of stitches. So this is where the foundation single crochet changes. You pull up a loop in the same chain as you made your first single crochet, and you yarn over and pull through that loop, and that forms the chain at the base of the foundation single crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. See, I've got 2 single crochets there. Then you go into the bottom of the chain of the second single crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Here's another chain, yarn over, pull through both loops, another foundation single crochet. This way you can continue on across instead of having to chain 10, 15, 210. You just work as many single crochets across as you would want to start your project.